I'm really looking forward to the next year. How about you? Yeah, I'm excited. I think we're going. Are you okay? I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Yeah. Anyway, the next year is going to be good. It's going to be a good year. Ah. Ah. Should I go get some help? Do you? No, no, I'm good. I'm good. I talk this way sometimes. I talk this way. It's just, kind of, it's what I do. I just, how about you? Are you looking forward to 2022? Are you looking forward to 2022? Yeah. I think I better go, so. All right. All right. See ya. Sure glad I didn't cough around him because that would have been awkward.